Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 28. How to use Review plugin on your site. In this video, we will take a look at how to use Review plugin on your site, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on Posts, and from it, choose Add New. A little below, here we have Review section, and inside we get Review type. Set it to your liking like star, then insert Review heading with product name, Review item schema, select it from the list. Then name of the software, description, image, more link text, then insert your affiliate link, select button style, offer price, currency, operating system, application category, author, rating schema, etc. Next is Review item, click on Add item, and here enter feature name, feature score, color, etc. Then next feature with same details. Likewise, add more according to your liking. Below we have Review description, here enter the title as summary then description, pros and cons. Then user review. Again you can add more review items from here. So this is how to use Review plugin on your site. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 29. How to find guest posting in any niche for backlink. In that video, we will take a look at how to find guest posting in any niche for backlink, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.